princess with a gnocchi mama. I've got this.
It's gnocchi and clams.
Bon appetit.
Wow, it's crazy.
You're right, I had enough.
Good morning, Sorrento. And thunderstorms. No. It's really wet over here. It's really coming down over here, guys. I've been waiting for like 45 minutes.
We've been waiting for like an hour. It's not as easy as you would think. I will explain later how to get here, but don't believe Google Maps.
Yeah.
Just one unit.
Okay.
Then I decided to quit the job and to
Manage
to manage.
Great, welcome. We are now in Positano after all of that. That was hard. We went through a lot today.
We did so much. Jesus, Princess
He was sweating so much he had to take his shirt off. Okay, well, we are finally in Positano, Princess Jasmine. This is our Airbnb I wanted to show you before we put our things away, and it looks messy. So let me just show you. So this is the view from our little front door. I'll go out there later and show you guys, but we essentially have just like this balcony here and a really pretty view of the sea. And then over to the right, we have our little kitchenette with an espresso machine. So I think we're gonna go get some espresso and maybe some pastries for the morning. And then this is the living space. Nothing special, but the decor is really cute. A little table here. These floors are really cool.
I mean, nothing special. It is special.
Yes, yes, yes it is. Little mirror here. I haven't even looked in here. I don't even know how to open that. So this is the bathroom, and it does come with a washer, which is convenient. The bathroom. I love these tiles, the details, so nice. And then here is the bedroom. I'll show you guys the terrace once we freshen up and head out, but I just wanted to show you the place really quickly.
It's just out there.
That one wasn't available. We're picking up some coffee.
Freshness. Just got a coffee. I was dying after literally 1,000 steps that we climbed. I needed a coffee. My knees were literally giving up. I've got an espresso martini.
Yeah, let's see how it is. We got this Nutella thing. Let me try.
Really good. Nutella cookie.
Really good.
Un espresso martini. I'm tipsy off those two little sips.
Mamma mia, Alessia.
Mamma mia. It should always be $10 for a jug of wine anywhere in the world.
That's so cute.
This restaurant was on TikTok for best pizza and best lasagna. We shall see. The view is pretty cool. That's the view. Here's the other view, the better one. Here's the restaurant. We just got the food. We got the diavola and the famous lasagna. Yum, yum,
Olive
yum,
oil,
yum.
Parmesan, bread.
Fresh bread. Yum.
Carbs.
Pizza.
So good.
10 out of 10. I don't know how we're ever gonna go back.
I can't put it down. It's so good.
I don't know how we're ever gonna go back to Domino's after this. It is now, I don't know what day it is, but we're 2 days in, or 2 days in here. We spent the first night here. We're at a beach club. We'll link it in and we'll give you guys our review after this. We just ordered 2 iced cappuccinos. It was 20 bucks for 2 iced cappuccinos, more like $25 in US. But so far, the vibe is immaculate. Everything is overpriced here.
Nice. Not
the water's great.
It's nice.
One tip, we did stop and get sandwiches on the way at a small mom and pop deli.
Oh, well, we should have gotten our towels.
And we got some olives. Yeah, they don't include towels for the $100 booking fee, which is strange.
So just keep that in mind.
But we spent 20 bucks on 2 sandwiches, 2 waters, and chips at the mom and pop, as opposed to like $100 here. So, quick little tip for you guys. We just came back to the Airbnb to change. We kind of figured out the bus system, so it was a lot easier, and we are headed to dinner.
Waiting on the bus.
We are out for dinner. I'm not sure the name of the place, but I'll insert it later.
Chez Black.
Chez Black.
We got the grilled octopus.
That's good. I got the local ravioli and fat I didn't know it was gonna be like a. We just got the local dessert here. I forgot what it's called.
Lemon something.
It's a lemon dessert.